Friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and once you are subscribed, please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get my next video updates almost instantly. Thank you. So friends, our today's topic is 2 high profit Bollinger Bands trading strategy. So I am going to show you how to pull out serious profits using 2 simple strategies using the indicator Bollinger Bands. So let us start the webinar. But before I go to the strategies, let me first discuss what is Bollinger Bands. So Bollinger Band is a technical indicator used to predict the price action of the stock market. It consists of 3 lines, a central line and 2 outer lines. Overall, it looks like a band. When the market is less volatile, the outer lines come towards the central line and vice versa. So now let's see what is Bollinger Band. So this is Zerodha Kite, and in Zerodha Kite, this is a Bollinger Band. This is Nifty's daily chart. So I have attached Bollinger Band on that. So to attach the Bollinger Band, you can simply go to the studies. In the studies, you will find Bollinger Bands. So you need to attach the Bollinger Bands. If you click on done, the default setting of Bollinger Bands will be attached to your chart. Now the beauty of the Bollinger Band is that 90% of the price action happens inside the band, and this is the power of the Bollinger Band. So I am repeating, 90% of the price action happens inside the band. So in case the price is not inside the band, price is out of the band, you can understand that this is not a simple price movement. This is an extreme price movement. So that is how Bollinger Band works. So you can see there are 3 lines, 1 middle line and 2 outer lines. Overall, it looks like a band. The band is surrounding the price. So the formula of Bollinger Bands, I have given the formula of the Bollinger Band. So upper band equal to 20-day SMA plus 20-day standard deviation of the price multiplied by 2. The middle band is 20-day SMA. So the middle band is simply the 20-day SMA, simple moving average. And the lower band is 20-day SMA minus the 20-day standard deviation of price multiplied by 2. So example, I have shown you the example from the kite. I have already shown you in the kite window. So this is how you can attach the Bollinger Band to your chart. So now let us go to the strategies. I'll discuss 2 strategies here. Number 1 is multiple Bollinger Band trading strategy. So the multiple Bollinger Band trading strategy is a very simple strategy. You can use multiple Bollinger Bands to create a complete trading strategy. So I'll show you Zerodha Kite. This is the multiple Bollinger Bands. I have added multiple Bollinger Bands over here. So there are multiple Bollinger Bands. But I am not going to discuss how to trade with these multiple Bollinger Bands in this webinar. Rather, I have written a clear-cut blog post on the multiple Bollinger Band trading strategy, and you can go to the blog post and you can find out how to trade the multiple Bollinger Bands and how to pull out serious profits from the market. So I have described the complete setup in my blog. You can get the link of the blog post from the description box under the video. So don't worry, I'll give you the link of the blog post in the video description. So you need not to remember any link. I'll give you the full link in the description. and there will be a PDF link too. So you can download that PDF, that is a free PDF, and you can download that and you can learn my multiple Bollinger Band trading strategy. So let me show you how the blog post will look like. 2 high profit Bollinger Band trading strategy. Inside the 2 high profit Bollinger Band trading strategy, I have shown you this multiple Bollinger Band trading strategy, and inside this I have given you a PDF file, Bollinger Bands PDF. You can download that by simply using any of the share buttons, either by tweeting or by sharing the post or subscribing into YouTube. So let me show you how you can download using the tweet. Just click on tweet. So if you are signed in into your Twitter account, you can simply share this link to your followers. So log in and tweet. You can just log in. I'm just logged in with my user ID and password. So log in and tweet. You can see once I logged in and tweeted, so the download now option came. I can now download that PDF file. So you can also download this PDF file for your multiple Bollinger Band trading strategy. So this is the first strategy that I have discussed here, but the full of the strategy will only be available on the blog post. You can simply visit my blog post and you can learn more about the strategy. But the other strategy I will discuss in the video itself. So let me go to the other strategy. The other strategy is Bollinger Band squeeze. So what do you understand by Bollinger Band squeeze? Sometimes the Bollinger Bands are contracted and the price is in a narrow range. At that times there is a very low Bollinger Band range, and this is called a Bollinger Band squeeze. Once the squeeze occurs, price tries to break out above or below the tight range, and this is a trading opportunity catching the breakout. So if there is a Bollinger Band squeeze, you can understand that there either a breakout or a breakdown is inevitable. So you can wait for the breakout or breakdown and you can trade on the direction of the breakout or the breakdown. So Bollinger Band squeeze trading strategy in details. So note the price range during the squeeze. First let me show you the squeeze. What is squeeze? Once you can see here the Bollinger Band is very narrow. This is the Bollinger Band, the price was coming down, then there is a squeeze, the Bollinger Band is very narrow, and after that a one-sided move. Now there is another up move, and now you can see the Bollinger Band is very narrow. Bollinger Band has become squeezed. So this is how you can identify the Bollinger Band squeeze. Once the Bollinger Band squeeze you can identify, you can understand that there can be a breakout or breakdown in the system. So how to trade the Bollinger Band squeeze? Note the price range during the squeeze. In the during the squeeze there will be a upper range and a lower range. You need to note that price range. Watch for a breakout or breakdown above or below the bands, and you can trade the breakout. You need to keep a stop loss either using the parabolic SAR, or you can use a stop loss of the last swing high or swing low, and you need to keep at least a 1:1 or 1:1.5 target. So I will show you in the example. Suppose this is a squeeze. The price has made a up mark here, the price has made a down mark here, up mark here, down mark here. So highest point of the upside is this and lowest point of the downside is this. So either we will take the breakout of the highest point of the upside, or we will take the breakdown below the lowest point of the downside. So we have seen that in these candles price has broken down below the lowest point of the downside, and the candle has also closed, so that is a trading opportunity. So we will trade on the short side, and you can see the market has moved a lot, so you can keep either a stop loss of the parabolic SAR. We need to add parabolic SAR in that. We can add the parabolic SAR. So if we have traded the breakdown, we need to keep the trade with the parabolic SAR, or we can keep a stop loss of the swing high. So this was the swing high. We can keep the stop loss of the swing high, and we need to keep a target of either 1:1 or 1:1.5. So this is how you can trade the squeeze. So you can see here also another squeeze is happening, but you can trade it later because right now the market has closed. So tomorrow if the same squeeze is there, you can get a trading opportunity. In other stocks also you can get trading opportunities using the squeeze. Suppose we are taking a chart of Ajanta Pharma. Yeah, this is the Ajanta Pharma. You can get squeeze in all the time frames. Suppose daily time frame. So 1 day's time frame you can get squeeze. So this is a squeeze. Bollinger Band is very narrow. So once the Bollinger Band is very narrow, whatever side the price breaks out or breaks down, you can trade that particular thing. So you can understand the Bollinger Band squeeze using the Bollinger Band width. You can see this is a perfect squeeze. This is a perfect squeeze. You can get a perfect squeeze. The squeeze has lasted for a long time, for 20, 30, 40 bars. I feel that the squeeze has lasted. So wherever this was a upside, so this was the upside upper range. If price has closed above the upside, so we could have traded on the upper side, but the price has not closed above the up mark, so price has closed below the down mark, so we need to trade on the short side. So this is a perfect squeeze. The longer the squeeze happens, the chance of profit is more. So you need to identify a narrow Bollinger Band for a long time. That is a perfect squeeze. So friends, I have already completed the webinar. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel before leaving this video, or you can also join my trading team. To join me, simply WhatsApp me your name, phone number and email ID to my WhatsApp number +91 96743 21856. I'll just repeat the WhatsApp number once again. It is 96743 21856. So friends, thanks a lot once again for joining me in my webinar. I wish you loads of luck in the coming days. I wish you lots of profit in your coming trades. Thanks a lot once again for joining me. Bye bye.